Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man. Good morning to all my all my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. On the voice of Ben Miller. This morning for me, it's all about graduation. All about graduation. Yeah, man. Graduation is in the ear now. Schools are prepared for graduation now. And I give thanks, so boy, this is going to be 25 years now since my graduation. Yeah, man. I'm glad for the support. 25 years now, I'm still going strong same way. I started picture in a 1998. In 1999, I started picture of a nip. And by the year 2000, I started my first graduation. I started doing a high school graduation. So as I say, at 25 years now of graduation season for me, I'm thank all the support I get for the past 25 years. The schools that want to support me before and the schools them that still that support me right now. And first and foremost, before I go any further, I have to give thanks to Miss Jackson, to Miss Lana Jackson, in his family, in a seat. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, she retired from NIP now. And she went control in NIP school graduation. Yeah, NIP school. Yeah, man. And she was calling the NIP school graduation back in the days there, in the year 2000. And when she come to me and say, boy, I beg, just put to the graduation, because the kids they want to the graduation. I tell me I have to put you at school, and NIP school, I'm telling Miss Jackson, say, boy, I can't manage it. Miss Jackson say, baby, I have to go do it. I didn't want to do it. I'm going to take up a challenge. I know the rest is history. So thank you again, Miss Jackson. Miss Dana Jackson, yo. Cause me shy. You see it. To me shy, I like the public thing, but I need brave enough and go do it. And the rest is history. Because from the year 2000 until the year 2025, amount of school I work for. And I give thanks to all of the schools. I don't hold no grudge for no school when I work for them. I give thanks for all of the schools. Because all of the schools will support me in the past and now. Make me be the person what I am today. And I give thanks to that. Because when I start from here, this is the first game I start from. Kodak, And this came I take my baptism, when I baptized, And from me I baptized in 1998. In a seat. After my baptism, I start to take picture. This we start out with. And see what I go right now. Never go do a content about how we start out. Let's talk about graduation now. Yes, maybe give thanks. Give thanks for the support what I get for the past 25 years. A rough journey, man. The journey continues to see me. That's why I tell people, say, we can't leave Jamaica. I can't leave Jamaica. I can't leave the people. When it comes to graduation time, I have to be at Jamaica. During the Christmas season, calendar time, I have to be at Jamaica. To take calendar pictures. Because I come to take picture. Because, you understand me? Yeah. So I have to be at Jamaica. Because I come to take picture for the young ones, them who they are school and so forth. Yes. Yeah, man, because I'm the only photographer. Sit down on school compound and take picture. In the past, for $50, for $100, and now for $200. Yes, me take picture for $200 same way. Yeah, man. For the school kids them. As I say, me give thanks for now, say boy. See it, a graduation season. I'm looking forward to the graduation season. Although it's very difficult the photographer like us in a seat, in a business. And the normal photographer them like man like in a Chilania, like man like Brother Chris. My friend Roland and Dilly, especially Dilly, all of the man them, they now get no work again. Yeah man, they now get no work again graduation time. Them have it hard, all the things they go on. And that I want to talk about too, you know, brother. Where some man guard the schools, them have some price, them are coming to business with the price with the money they want to charge, you know. They charge when they want to charge, you know, but with the money they want everything, They want the plaque, they want the survey ticket, they want the package picture, they want everything. And take the whole the schools them. My God man, sometimes I wonder if we go get 8 primary school a year. All a nice school. Because the man in bombard 8 primary a year time. And I say Elvin never say bed come back to your yard. Because I say Elvin know how me operate. Anything they want, 8 primary infant can call me. Anytime I can do anything for them. So when the man go there shine, only go there shine time you see them. And I feel that way if you know, so some my photographer brother them suffer. Because they now get no work again. That's me burn fire, man. I just burn fire upon some things are going on, brother. I'm like what go on, brother. That's why if you respect Duncan's primary, you know. Duncan's primary say, oh no, you now give a brother Christian none of one, you know. Uno come at school graduation time. I want to take the work them for the man them. Greedy invest, you know. Greedy invest in the business, you know. But we're not greedy. We're not greedy. Because we invest, you know. Because we can't talk to me pants and everything, you know. Now me print up, you know, me can't print one put to them, you know. But when we charge my price, you know, brother. When you say all the money, I want that for the same price we charged last year, and the same price me I charge this year. I not raise it. Because I didn't raise it last year, I not raising this year. I not raising it. All the schools, them, yeah man, you have certain school, if you talk to them serious, and make them know that I go charge. Because I didn't want to charge last year, and I kind of compromise and take off the money because through certain things. We can't take off the money this year. But I see money me I charged last year. Yes. Because you know easy. Graduation time. Yes. And I try going to the best quality. Because me pictures them are the best printer in Western Jamaica. Me print my picture them are the best printer man in Western Jamaica. Rev. A farmer man is Rev is to print reviews. When you come on to graduation pictures, you have to print up to them best quality pictures. Yeah, get. What me I charge in a seat, and the best thing I get. When you come on with the picture quality. And me print mine because when I charge my graduation package, you know, man, about half of my money, you know, man, and 1/3 of my money we're getting up. I mean, I mind spending now. I make a profit same, you know, my profit small. But I prefer making my small profit and the parents them get good quality picture. That's all I'm concerned about, the quality pictures. I have my printer, and I can print my own pictures, but he can't manage the graduation load and Rev is a better printer than me. So I will sacrifice my money to go to good quality pictures. So big up yourself, Rev. Rev work at anchovy. Rev a foundation a pews. It's a work for pews. But from 2020, or go on at 2020, Rev losing pews the Western Jamaica lockdown. Yeah man, the same pews man the pews man what they kill back in the days because him take picture cheap. That's why they want to kill me back in the days too, you know. To me, I have to put everything like enough things. I just don't want to talk about anything, you know, brother. Because we talk about graduation. Because I don't want to talk long, brother. I can't about the long talk. And Jamaica when I wait nowadays, brother. Jamaica when I wait nowadays, sometimes boy, I tell us a graduation time, you feel it for the man, I try on more time. Because all the schools, my work still. The man not get no work for them people. Outside, they come take the graduation, them. You only know the man, them graduation day. Some parents, them, only want the man to go take on a picture. After graduation, I come to man in my feed pan. Or when the man them build them plaque and do the service, they then gone, you don't see them. Because they don't come on the graduation, going to take on the graduation pictures them. The graduation day, the most important picture. The most important picture at graduation are when the kids them receive them diploma and then special prizes them. They now come take that. Because the money is small. The money is small, they now come take that. And the children, the man, they not call for going to take them picture there. That's why I say, me uncle, them picture there. The uncle work for school, will give me package and so forth. Because I can't do all the graduation them, you know. Because come school with the package for, me can't, it does unfortunate, so me can't come to the graduation for that reason. Because the graduation date clash. If me, every school with the package for, if it possible, we can go to school, then the guy school going to the graduation. That's why every school to the graduation for, they go live stream them graduation. Every school, when the graduation for, me no charge for the pictures. Come and tell you some people. The pictures when me charge, is the package, you see me the package picture? The picture, what the graduates, what the kids receive a graduation, you know. Me no charge for that, you know. All the pictures me take for the schools, you know. And give back to the schools, like when the guest speaker talk, when the principal give report, and then me no charge for them picture there. We put it on a thumb drive and get the schools. All the special prizes them, what the schools them, otherwise when the server to get pictures them, all the special award, me no charge for them thing there. The school have them on thumb drive and they can't get them, or they can't contact me. I saw me do my thing. Because right now, we have the cheapest high school package. High school, and one high school me work for, you know. You understand me? And all an high school. I wonder, sometimes I fret more time. If I go get Allen High School here, because I'm going to come in, because last year the man come in from Allen High School. And when I charge Allen High School, I say, boy, Jano, they say, Judge, but I saw you go still. Let me try to explain to them. Say, price of me I charge, a best quality I get. Because, you understand me? Because, you see, because 3,000 me charge. To mine package 14. 3,000 me charge for package 14. 1 8 by 12, 1 5 by 7 in a seat, and 12 small picture. 3 set of 4 ups. That me a talk, brother. You know, easy. Photography industry, you know, easy. I want corrupt things same way, you know. A long time if you're dead, you know. For me to put up $50, you know. Because the man to me, I mash up them business, you know. But God keep me alive, see me, because in Jamaica, you have to look out for the poor. The poor class of people, them. You have poor class, you have middle class, and you have upper class. So you have to just make sure the lower class of people, them, and the poor class of people, them, can afford. You have the things, them. Graduation time, it costs money. Parents, it costs money for the parents, them. So I tell you, the main topic I want to talk about at the same price I charge like last year. And I have a big up Rev. Big up with the best printer. When I get the best quality printing, I can print me one pictures, but I don't print them. Graduation time, they goes for the best. You have some man, they print them one picture now, that's fine with them. Want us back up some, just want some printer put on in case. If your printer broke down, we can use my printer and finish the work them. When I get the best quality printing. So any prices you get lower than Mr. Better, so you go. But when I get the best, and we give thanks to all of the schools them. All of the schools them, because them time of year, because you get to understand, say, the man them start envy the schools them already. That's why, yeah man start envy the schools them already. But I know say after Easter holiday, my schools them start them thing. And I hope and pray. I hope and pray so I get back. Because I have 17 schools I do. 6 schools at Swensibet and about 11 schools at Trelawney. And because them schools there, I get them good works over the years. I get them good works over the years. And the principal and the person them who control the graduation and the parents them. Yes. Know me and know say me a text when they picture for them there. Them there for them start out a preschool same way. basic school same way, high school same way. You know, see, no, primary school and high school, I mean, I take them picture, they know me, and they have a respect for me, and they continue to support me. I'm thankful for the support for this past 25 years. And I try my best to support in the same way. It's really rough in that business right now, because right now, I feel for some of my brethren them. Because Brother Chris tell me, say the man them come at Duncans and want to take a Duncans for them, my brother, and Duncan say them, nah, we now give Brother Chris phone up. We are work with Brother Chris. Sometimes we know say the practice is nice, the souvenir is nice, but sometimes they look a local children photograph of them man. Give them a work to brother. Give them some packages for the brother. You know, parents. You don't want the man if you come out graduation going to take no pictures of them. Even the package pictures them, you can give the man them same way man. And give the other man them plaque and survey ticket. Come the survey ticket too, you know. But when the two, yeah man, the survey ticket same way too, you know. Bob Marley said when rain fall pan one man won't stop brother. Uno man that's coming in the business, uno invade the business. And you know, say that I want everything for myself. But the true people who know them photographer, you need for you understand me? That's why when they come on to Porto Academy, man, nobody can go to Mr. Dino. Nobody can go to Mr. D'Souza, you know. When they come to graduation time, you know. That's why Mr. Elvin right now. Tell me if you better come up to your yard, because they want your school. Mr. Elvin obviously send the man go down to his wife. Because Mr. Elvin, boy, man, sometimes I have to give thanks to Mrs. Stewart. Was stick with me. Give thanks to Mrs. Thompson. Was stick with me. Because them school are big school, you know. And Mr. Elvin company see now and stick with me same way. Because I left space with me. Because when they anything Premier Infant want, I did it for them. I did it for Premier Infant. I'm not charge them no money for certain things. I always did it for them. And I give thanks. For them coming to being, I have to give thanks to Mrs. Reed. For Alan coming to being, for them first prize giving to them all in graduation. Yeah man, she used me. And for the work for Alan for so much years, and Mrs. Reed, is that a easy something? Because Mrs. Reed is a no-nonsense lady. That's why me and Pan School when really fall apart. Because I tell him, say boy, because Pan School graduation and Alan High School graduation, you to keep the same day. And I get the work at Alan, I make more money. That's still not, as I say, it's like say, we have to make as much money we can make. But me have to just, because I got Alan High School graduation late, I almost lose it. The contract. Because I'm in the Pan School. But the levels. That's the same man, but I'm not trying to talk to Pan School people that they can put another date, okay? As I said, we couldn't work for every school still. Alan High School is a school that I just, yeah man. I just say Augustine, I love Pan School, I love Boy School, same way. And that's it. That's why I say, Miss Pat, yeah man, Mrs. Reed use me right through, see me. And Mr. Evans take over, see me, Mr. Evans still use me, see me. I don't know what happened in this area. Because I'm bombard the school in certain way. But as I say, in a seat, we give thanks. We give thanks 25 years now. At graduation time, we go circulate me the prizes them to the schools them. At the same money like last year, all over where's the pictures them, where's for charge for them. Because if you understand, because it costs money for the US dollar to input the papers them and so forth and the ink. So you put on something on it, but I don't put on nothing on it this year. Because I raised it last year, I don't raise it this year. We're same price people. I go, if my profit small, so I go, I go to the good quality same way. And the schools that I have, I look out for the support. I'm thank you, Mrs. Jackson, for boss me. in the year 2000. And I thank all of the schools them for the 25 years now I take picture. You know see, thank all the schools them. The principal, the grad coordinator, the teachers, the parents most of all, and the student them. I'm glad to know I'm going to visit some past student schools them home and I see a graduation picture with them. And I see a calendar picture with them. Because I can't leave Jamaica. Graduation time, you know see, and Christmas time, we made a calendar. Because I'm glad to know say, we made a little boy appear white Jesus and white Mary. We just see on calendar. But now, people can have them kids on calendar. And himself on calendar. So I can't leave Jamaica, brother. Can't leave Jamaica. Every day I serve my people them. Especially the poor class of people them. I saw a thing go. You know, see me now in a long time, in about 20 minutes of the thing I want to put forward. So I'm looking forward to the graduation season. We wish my fellow photographer them in a Chilani a prosperous graduation season. It's difficult for the photographers in Chilani. Because they don't get no work. They don't get no graduation time. They don't get them no work. Me fortunate to get work. That's what I say. I mean the only photographer that they sit down at school that they put up for $50. Back in the days, $100. Back in the days, $200. No. $200 in a seat. No. So I stay. So, if you say enough, yeah, man, cover the price. The price remain the same. In a seat. We give thanks to all of the schools them. In a seat. And if we big up Rev. Come and say Rev, we not left out you this time, you know. We not left out you Rev. They're the best printer in Western Jamaica. They might get the best quality Rev. When many combine together, are the best they might get. The best price. So Rev, we wish you all the best. This is a graduation season now. And we wish all the photographers the best. A graduation time now. A graduation time now. So as I say, one love, and big up all the kids who go graduate this graduation season. Don't matter if you're no top scholar or what, as long as you move on same way. Because I go close by saying, all the kids them, when you receive your diploma for a certificate from the schools in my high school, you must feel proud. You must feel proud of your achievement. Because I can't stand against my hero. Because he wasn't the top scholar in graduation. I'm proud for know him there in graduation. And my hero this one. Having graduation picture. Thank you the Nip School family. Thank you Mrs. Lee for giving me the permission. Thank you Miss Lana Jackson. You allow me for the first graduation. We give thanks. We have film graduation pictures them. Every single move you make and every single step you take in graduation, we have him. We capture him. And we go rise them push it again. If we rise them push it. Yeah man, for my hero. So I'm telling you, say, I can brag and boast. So me having graduation picture. The greatest man who come out of Jamaica, me having graduation picture. 25 years of my graduation. I'm proud. If you know, say, we get the opportunity. Because I come to take picture. We start to take picture after my baptism. A picture I come to take. And I go remain taking picture. I have so many things to say right now, but I have to limit myself. Yes. Yeah man. So, one, big up all who support me over the years. NIPS, all states, everybody. The schools, all the schools must support me. All the schools must support me over the years in the graduation season. 25 years now. Yeah man. So Michael Manley Pitney. I tried out. We go beside Suko. And one love. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah.